Okay, I'm going to try 3 different workflows with SCSM, and I would like your feedback on each one of the 3. The first one I'm going to do is a knowledge-based search in which I do not find what I am looking for. So I'm going to start here in SCSM. I'm going to hit Control F12 to bring up my knowledge base, and I'm going to do a search for virus definitions. Alright, no, that's not exactly what I'm looking for, so I take a look. Nope, this is not what I'm looking for, so I close it out, and I'm going to hit Control F1 to open up my knowledge form. So I have my user on the phone. User happens to be Peter, and I can type in virus definitions, and helps if you spell it right. And it's saying that virus definition needs to be updated and says to call you. Great, I'm going to apply a template to this. This is just our basic default incident template. I can take a look, and I am ready to transfer this to a TSS. Please take a look at this computer. I'll say OK. Now, since that is a computer that I want the TSS to take a look at, that's probably something I should take a look at the CI, and I've confirmed with them it's this particular one. Alright, and I put in my classification category that software, antivirus software, is having problems, and take a look at software, antivirus software. OK. Now I'm ready to say OK, and this is going to escalate this up. Notice I didn't put an assigned to or primary owner because it is not something that I've done. I didn't hit OK or apply until I'm ready to escalate it. Hit OK. That's off into the TSS hands. One thing that I probably should have done is check the box saying that this needs a knowledge base article done. Let's go to a different example. I'm going to have another call come in, Control F12 to start my process, and the call coming in is somebody wants to add in a Blackboard guest. Blackboard guest. So I do a search. In this case, there is how to add a guest to it. So I click on Edit Knowledge Base Article. I read through the knowledge base article and realize, alright, I'm going to have to help the guest access and follow this procedure. I'm going to take a look at the analyst, and I realize it's an information request and that I'm supposed to log this ticket as an incident. As I'm helping the user, I can then go to Create a Related Incident, and I put in the affected end user, and so we'll say guest access BB helped the user enable guest access and provided the knowledge base information. I'm going to determine my template. In this case, it is the default incident template. My classification category is, learning management tools, Blackboard Learn. My affected service is learning management, Blackboard Learn. Now, my affected CIs, this was not about the computer itself, it was about Blackboard, so I'm not going to add in that. Notice it has the knowledge base article as an affected CI. I'm ready to close this one out, so I'm going to change the incident status to resolved, and I'm going to say fixed by analyst, helped user enable guest access. I'm going to hit OK. Again, I didn't put an assigned to or primary owner, and I hit OK. I didn't change anything to the knowledge base article. So let's do a third one. Again, start with my knowledge, and I'm going to do a search for salvage. Salvaging old computers. I'm going to edit this knowledge base article, get an idea. Let's see. This is all for the analyst. All right, I'm going to have to follow this, so I need to create a related service request. So I come down here, I find salvage equipment, opens up the form. I put in my affected end user. In this case, it is Stephen Henderson. Salvage equipment. The equipment is located in CPV1. It is 3 printers and a monitor. All right, take a look. I've got my right area, support group, email, all the different things. I need to check my activities. It's got the activities in place. My related item, we can see it as associated with the knowledge base article, and I am ready to go. And all I have to do is hit OK. If I could get your feedback on those 3 and questions, let's turn this into a discussion. Thank you.